At AMN Quality Solutions, we are focused on providing efficient and technological solutions for the industry. This drives us to continue investing in state-of-the-art equipment and technology to automate our processes. Expand the capacity of your production lines with our wiring harness manufacturing, powered by our new automatic crimping machine. This high-precision machine is equipped with speed control technology and is capable of cutting, stripping, sealing, and applying terminals automatically to the electrical cables used in harness manufacturing, saving time and money in your operations. Allow us to help ensure maximum performance in your production with our cable operation capacity that exceeds industrial standards. At AMN Quality Solutions, we understand that industry specialization is constant, which is why our team is here to provide you with the best service possible. AMN Quality Solutions, your strategic ally.